Hi, Rick here. Hope you're doing well. In this video, we will see how to change the value of your model parameters programmatically. So let's go to Unity. The first thing I am going to do is just drag and drop on your model to the scene. Then I will create a new script. I will call it parameter changer. The first thing we need to do is declare two variables. One for the model and one for the parameter. At the start, we need to assign the model variable to our model. So let's call model equal this dot find of this model. Then we need to change this to later update. Since we can only change the values of the models on late update, here I'm going to pick a random parameter and just change the value. So let's first check one of the parameters. I'm going to pick the head angle X. Let me just load the model first. Then we can call model parameters. Here we are going to put the index as 0. Index list is in the same order as in the parameters. So first we got the angle X, then the angle Y for the head, then the angle Z. Then we need to call value to change the value. And here we can insert whenever value we want to put on the parameter. Then if we save, go back to Unity. I forget the reference. Then we can just drag and drop the script to the model. We will be able to see that the model changes the value of the angle X to 30. We can also make the parameter variable holds a reference for a parameter, so we can just call param equal model.parameters. Now we can just call param.value equal to -30. Then we can go back to Unity. Another thing you can do is that if you don't know the index of the parameter, you can find the parameter by its ID, the Live2d ID. you need to call the model, then you call the parameters, then here you call find by ID. Now let's just change a value of the parameter. 15 param angle z. Let's save. Also, if you need, you can use this find by ID function to assign a value to a Cubase parameter, like param equal. Let me just copy and paste this line here. Then we can just call param dot value equal minus 15. Save again, go back to Unity, hit play. So to finish, let's just make a code that's a bit more complex. Let's iterate for all the list of the parameters and change some values. Let's make a for int I equals 0 if I is lower than model parameters dot length I plus plus. Then we can call if model parameter on the position parameters on the position I. So let's check if the value is on the default value. Default value equals 0. Then let's call another if. Again, model parameters y. Let's check if the maximum value is equal to 30. If it does, let's change model parameters on the position y, value equal to model parameters. Let's just change this to minimum value. Then we can call else. Let's just copy this line, paste here, change this to maximum value. Now we have used almost all the variables that we have in the parameter class. Sorry, forget equal here. So let's just save. Go back to Unity. Now we have changed a bunch of values. If you need to check the classes for the parameters we just used, you can go to Live2d, Cubase, Core. This class is for the parameter, and this class is for the model. I guess it's it for this topic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.